In 2020, Adventureland theme park just outside of Des Moines in Iowa decided to remove their Dragon roller coaster. They shortly announced its predecessor, Dragon Slayer. This is an S&S 43 spin coaster that is known for flipping riders much more than similar ride models. I've never actually ridden this roller coaster, yet it has been a bucket list coaster for me, so I decided I would build it out of K'NEX.
A man has fallen into the river in Lego City.